Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining intent and limits, what problem you solve, who benefits, and what laws apply. Once done, run a short ethical impact assessment and set measurable acceptance criteria such as target accuracy and maximum false positive rate. Make sure to get documented consent and a data retention policy. These drive design choices. You'll also map stakeholders and risk mitigations, so technical decisions align with legal and social constraints before any data collection or modeling begins. Next, design a modular pipeline: data ingestion and preprocessing, a feature embedding stage, a matching or classification component, and continuous evaluation. Choose approaches that balance performance with interpretability. Aim for explainable embeddings and auditability so you can trace errors. Once agreed, define interfaces and monitoring points, and embed privacy-preserving controls like strict access policies, encryption at rest, and minimal data retention. Make sure to plan manual review for edge cases and a clear role. To finish, validate extensively across demographics and conditions, then deploy gradually with staged rollouts and strong monitoring. Once live, keep human-in-loop review for uncertain or high-risk matches and real-time alerts for drift or anomalous errors. Make sure to document versioning, consent logs, and incident response steps. If problems occur, start with a single troubleshooting checklist. Verify data input consistency, check model drift metrics, confirm access controls, and revert to the previous safe version while investigating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.